In this video, I will show you how you can fix if you cannot reset your AirPods 4. Now, before we start, just make sure that you have enough charge in your AirPods. Now, if you open the lid of your AirPods case and if you see an orange LED light up, or if you do not see an LED at all, then this indicates that your AirPods are out of charge. Just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then plug the case into charge. Now just wait for a couple of minutes. Ideally, just charge your AirPods for 20 minutes to an hour. Now after you have charged your AirPods, now to factory reset your AirPods, just open the lid of your AirPods and make sure that both AirPods are in the case. Now before we complete the reset process, as you know, to reset the AirPods 4, you will need to double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. So if you're gripping your AirPods like that, as if your fingers are on the touch area, just change your grip. Just grip your AirPods case from the sides like that. And after that, just double tap on the LED 3 times. And after each double tap, just wait for 1 second, just like that. And after you do that, you will see this orange LED light up, which indicates that you have reset your AirPods. Now if you have done that, but if you're unable to reset your AirPods, like if you're trying to reset your AirPods, but if the LED turns into green, then simply just close the lid of your AirPods, then just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open and try to reset your AirPods again. Now just follow the steps as I have mentioned them. Just like that. And this is how you can fix if you're unable to reset your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.